Hey guys, welcome back. I tell you what, we're back out here in front of the garage again. As you can see, the sun is shining, but we got some storms in the area. I don't know if they're going to hit us or not, so just to be safe, we're back out in front of the garage, and hopefully we can stay dry, or somewhat dry. Let's see. Guys, I got about a little over 5 pounds of chuck roast inside. I was just happy to be able to find some beef. And I'm gonna put it over here and do a low and slow method on my Char-Griller charcoal grill. I'm gonna be using the Char-Griller charcoal basket again. So kind of exciting trying to learn how to use this thing. So I'll bring you guys along. So guys, let's go inside. Let's get this thing prepped up, get the fire on, and get to smoking. I hope my lighting is okay. I got my basket over here full of charcoal. Got my small chimney set up here. Go ahead and there we go. Get that going. Get her fired up. Hey guys, I'm using the Jack Daniel's beef rub. For those who are interested in this stuff, it is gluten-free. I know I got some viewers that are gluten-free. Not by choice, because of a necessity. I've never used the beef rub. I don't think I have anyway. Go pretty heavy because this big chunk of beef, it can handle it. Sides, get all sides. Finish up on the back side here. Okay, as soon as that fire comes up, these bad boys are going on. Okay, everything's going good. Let's dump this charcoal over here in this little empty spot that I made for it. Perfect. I'm going to use a pan just for cleanliness. Bring in our grates. I'm gonna leave this last space open just for fire management. Oops. Okay, we're pretty close here. Let's go ahead and get these guys on here. We might get a little rain here in a second, so I want to get these guys going a little bit further. If you can see, I got some wood in here. This is all pecan wood we're going, and I got one big chunk here we're gonna go to. Get this thing going. Get some smoke on these. All pecan today. Hey folks, we are 1 hour into this, and I want to take my first look. Looking good. We're holding temperatures great. Starting to form a little bit of a bark here. We got a long ways to go though. I'm really not gonna do much here. I am gonna flip these around, just 180, just for some even cooking. Uh-oh, a piece of meat already fell off. Okay, I'm good with that. Looking good, guys. We'll check some temps probably in about an hour, but I think I'm not even worried about it right now. Just turn it over. We'll set this bad boy right there. Gonna add another piece of pecan wood right there and let her go. Okay, look at this. Can y'all see that? Get some really good bark. Get some cooking going on here now. Just for kicks and grins. We're not close. That, ooh, time to add some charcoal. I can see that. Not really losing temps yet. We're about 150, 152, somewhere in there. Not close, but we're looking good, guys. Get some good bark formation. I'm gonna leave everything alone on the meat. I will wrap this, but I might give it another hour before I do that. I am gonna add some charcoal though. Just add another small chimney full. Uh-oh. And we're gonna add a little bit more wood. 3.5 hours, damn. I'm just gonna get some temps here. Yeah, I'm not gonna wrap it up. I am gonna wrap it up in the full pan. 167. As far as cooking, if we were gonna slice it, we'd be there. We'd be well past there. I think the rain is about here, guys. All right, there we go. One in. Two in. Get that little guy in there too. We're gonna get that all tendered up too. Tendered up. I say that all the time. Is that a word? Get out of there. You know, normally they'd add a lot of sugar and honey and brown sugar to that to get it all sweet. I'm not going for that this time, guys. I want the natural flavor. We're gonna steam this out so we can pull it. And I'm trying to stay away from all the sugary stuff. All right, let's get on back in here. Turn it this way. We'll check back in at least an hour. You know, I changed my mind. I have not sprayed this at all, so I'm gonna add just a little apple juice in here, just to help with the tenderizing a little bit. It'll add a little flavor too. It's maybe half a cup, 3/4 of a cup. Now, we'll check back in at least an hour, maybe two. We'll see where we are. I'm really just going for tenderness now so we can pull it. And anybody that's ever pulled chuck roast knows it can be a problem at times. So we're just going to have to watch it and play with it. I do think the rain has finally arrived. It's not too bad yet. And I don't think it's going to last that long. Kind of a small little cell coming through. So let's see. So far so good. Say we're nearly 4 hours into the cook, and just now got our first drop of rains. Not bad at all. Just in case. Dummy me, forgot to turn the camera on for it. I did add another little small chimney full of charcoal. That should probably, let's go on the rest of the cook here. We'll see. Alright, let's take a look at this. I'm going to check temps, but I'm mostly going tenderness right now, just because that's where we're at. Looking good, smells awesome, guys. Yeah, we got a ways to go for sure. Getting there. Right in there, that would be very hard to pull. I can feel that. Got a ways to go, folks. Let's go back probably another hour. Check back in a bit. Still not there. We're getting close, guys. Feeling good, feeling good. A little rough there. Yeah. A little while longer. Alright, guys. Ooh, look at this thing. I just want to see here. Ooh. Just for kicks and grins. It's like butter, guys. Everywhere I'm probing. I think we're there. Guys, I'm gonna get this inside. I'm gonna let it rest a bit. And we're gonna pull this. Get us a sandwich. It's pulling better than I thought it would. These chuck roasts can be an issue at times to pull. It seems that I have struck gold. Let me finish this up and we'll make us a sandwich, guys. Okay, guys, I don't know if you can see that. You see that little smoke ring in there? Oh yeah, I cannot wait. Make this sandwich. Very simple sandwich, guys. These are just some Hawaiian buns I picked up at the local store. Oh, the pecan smoke stands out. Beautiful. Beautimous, beautimous, beautimous. Something you're gonna see a trend from me. I don't know which brands or whatever, but I'm kind of on a quest for some sugar-free stuff because I need to go there. If you've seen recent videos of me, you know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna scale it back some tonight. Got some G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce, the original. Never tried it before. I'll let you know. It's thicker than I thought it would be. That there. And one solid dill pickle. Hey guys, I can't help but go in here and get a piece of this by itself. That pecan wood. These chuck roasts, when you're smoking them up to a temperature to get them to pull, sometimes they can be a little stubborn, and I wasn't sure how that was going to pull. It felt very tender and was ready, it probed ready, and but I was still scared about a couple little areas. 100% of it pulled great. Love it, guys. Get a bite of this sandwich. This with this Hughes barbecue sauce, sugar-free. Kind of need to go that route. Oh God. I like that barbecue sauce, guys. It's delicious, guys. Guys, thank you so much. This has been a fun cook. It's one of them, these things take about 5-6 hours sometimes. I think I was about 6.5 hours on this cook. So, it's great, it worked out, met all expectations. Again, thank you so much. Hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to us. That helps us out greatly. So guys, till next time, we should see you next Saturday. And God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.